Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Tony Ahmed and I work with the local dental network for Shropshire and Staffordshire, supporting dental professionals across the NHS. Whether you're early in your career, mid-career and thinking of balance, returning to practice or looking for leadership, education or specialist opportunities, this video is for you. Today, I want to introduce you to Shropshire, Telford and Wrekin, a region where dentistry is supported, professionals are valued and people are encouraged to build sustainable, fulfilling careers. Dentistry here is built on relationships, not just contracts. Across the region, dental professionals benefit from supportive, well-established practices, strong clinical leadership, a culture of mentoring, collaboration and shared learning. Whether you're a dentist, dental nurse, hygienist, therapist or specialist, you are treated as a skilled professional. Just as importantly, this is a place where life outside dentistry matters. When you finish work, you can walk through historic Shrewsbury, enjoy the food culture of Ludlow. Leisure and water sports like rowing are taken seriously here. You are never too far away from big cities as there are direct trains to Birmingham, Manchester and Cardiff, or find peace and space in the Shropshire Hills. This is dentistry in a region that values well-being and balance.
I'm definitely getting the full experience because I don't drive as well. So I am very much, I'll get the train back to Birmingham. There's a train station that's really local to where I work. It's literally opposite the practice. And it's like a 3-minute walk from my flat as well. So I can get the train back when I need to. But for the most part, during the week, I am in Church Stretton. The people are lovely. I'll say that as the first thing. That was something that struck me from day one. Everyone's just kind of looking out for each other and it feels like a very safe environment as well. You don't feel like anyone's kind of got malintent or anything like that when you're walking down the street, no matter what time it is. They've got like convenience stores, obviously some shops and things. There's a community centre. There's really amazing vintage stores, which I'm quite into, like vintage and thrifting and things like that. Those are quite core hobbies of mine. And there's really great bookshops if you're somebody that's into reading. We also have the Shropshire Hills really nearby. So I'm not the biggest hiker, but I do appreciate the scenery and the view. But in the summertime, we do get, I've heard that we do get quite a lot of tourists that come, backpackers, things like that. And it really is just like a nice all-round vibe.
What makes this region distinctive is that people are invited in, not shut out. Dental professionals are encouraged to contribute to ideas and share frontline experience, developing leadership skills and influencing how services are shaped locally. Whether you're interested in leadership, education, mentoring, service development, or system level change, there is space here for your voice.
Clinicians around here are very friendly, very generous with their time. It's helped me to develop professionally, but also as an educator as well. Obviously now I'm also part of the LDN because I find it's very important to be able to give insight into what we're doing as dentists to the wider NHS systems, to try and help or bring about change to the patient journey. I'm very passionate about that. The patients are very diverse and again, they do appreciate the health profession. So, you know, it's a nice place to work. Everyone's friendly. It's very community orientated. I'm part of the local dental network. They are a mixture of like-minded individuals that come together to improve the patient journey. So I'm a GDP LDN member, so that's bringing in the dentist voice, the people that are actually providing the care, that deal with the pressures and know what the patient needs are, into a forum where there might be commissioners and you might go through to workforce planning and basically plan for any future changes that might need to be made to help that patient journey improve.
You'll find a mix of rural and urban practices, opportunities for portfolio careers and links to specialists and secondary care. This is a region that understands that careers evolve and supports people through those changes rather than pushing them out. Let's talk honestly about sustainability. Here, many professionals experience lower cost of living, shorter, less stressful commutes, more affordable housing, good schools, greater time for family, health and rest. Outdoor lifestyles are easily accessible. Walking, cycling, water sports and open countryside are all close by. Local practices actively support the mental health wellness in dentistry toolkit, recognizing that protecting clinicians' well-being protects patients too. This is a region that wants professionals to stay well, stay engaged and stay long-term.
In terms of in my practice, everything is really well supported, and my educational supervisor is very informative. If there's anything that I don't know, there's always going to be someone that I can ask for advice. I will never get leave alone with myself if I feel unsafe. And so as all my nurses, they're really experienced. They will support me however they can. And with a broader sense, outside the clinical, my clinical practice, there are varieties of specialists around that I can ask advice from. Or we had an oral surgeon just nearby that we can ask for advice whether this is going to be a suitable case to be referred. Alternatively, we have a orthodontic clinics just right in front of us, which I sometimes call or walk over there to talk to them if I have time to negotiate, to see or discuss with them whether this case is suitable to get referred, or what should I do with this patient coming in that I don't think is ready for orthodontic treatment that's being booked back in. Just kind of ask them for advice, which I find really supportive.
Time and again, colleagues tell us they feel supported rather than isolated, valued with good sense of community, and have rediscovered their enjoyment for their work. Many come for a role and stay because of the people and the place. If you're looking for a supportive professional environment, real influence and opportunity, a better balance between work and life, then Shropshire, Telford and Wrekin may be the right place for you the next chapter of your career. We'd be delighted to welcome you.